What's up everybody? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are so excited to watch a new video. And in this video, as you may have already seen by the title, this video is gonna be about YouTube. Now, I haven't made a YouTube video in quite a while because most of my videos are about the Amazon influencer program or some other side hustles that I've been trying because the YouTube videos don't do as well. Well, I hope to change that with this video because I am so extremely passionate about YouTube. I will give you guys some reasons behind that and explain to you what a small channel like mine has made and what it has generated off of 100,000 views. I am so excited, like I said, because this video just shows all the dedication, all the hard work, and everything that I've put into my channel thus far. I'm only about 7 months in, and I have celebrated so many small wins along the way. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about YouTube. There's so many milestones, so many accomplishments that you'll hit along your way in just a short period of time. And that's what's gonna continue to keep you going, continue to give you momentum, and help you to continue to grow your channel over time. When you start YouTube, it's really important to have a long-term mindset with it. It's not something that typically just grows overnight, and you're not gonna just go viral off of one video typically, and so you have to keep that in mind and understand that. Another thing that I absolutely love about YouTube is there's so many different avenues that you can discover, that you can try out, and that you can potentially fall in love with. You have long-form content, you have short-form content, you can live stream, you can offer memberships, you can put ads. There's so many ways that you can, get passive income, that you can use to increase the income that you make on YouTube. And all in all, YouTube has just been so fun and so fulfilling for me. So I hope in this video I can kind of explain, show you guys some insight, and show you exactly what I'm making as a small channel. Because let's face it, most of us are gonna start YouTube as a very small channel. It takes time, it takes strategy, and it takes a lot of hard work to really grow it, really scale it, and really turn it into something, that allows you to quit everything else that you're working on. But I will say, if you can fall in love with YouTube and if you can enjoy it as much as I have, this has been one of the most easiest things for me to keep up with alongside my full-time job, my side jobs, my side hustles, and everything else that I've been doing. I absolutely love YouTube, and I hope that you can see that passion through the screen because I love it and I'm having so much fun doing it. So in this video, the first thing that I want to show you, because I think it's the most important and the thing that most people want to know, and it's the thumbnail of this video, is exactly how much money did I make making 100,000 views. So like I said, just 7 short months ago, I started this YouTube channel and I went down this journey that I had no idea where it was gonna take me. I had no idea how long it would take me to get 100,000 views. I had no idea how long it was gonna take me to get monetized. All I did was start. And so that's my best advice to you, is to just start. Start and try to stay as consistent as you can. So in about 7 months of doing YouTube, I have been able to accumulate 100,000 views. Now, that's not 100,000 views on one video, that's just throughout all of my videos. So I have about 83 videos that is long form and short form content, and about 7 months later, I am at 104,671 views. So I want to take this time to show you guys exactly how much money that has made me. So if we head over to my YouTube Creator Studio and check out the back end, I can show you guys all of it. Okay, so here we are at my YouTube Creator Studio where I can show you guys exactly how much money I have made thus far. One thing I do want to point out is that all the views that you received before you were monetized on the channel does not count. So I was not monetized until June 4th or June 5th, around there. So since I've been monetized, it really has only been 2 months. So that is why I can really only show you June, July, and half of August's earnings. But because I'm at the 100,000 view mark, I really want to show you how much money that has made me. But this is not a true representation of 100,000 views because, like I said, all the views that I got before I was monetized did not pay me. But heading over to the Creator Studio, you can see right here that in the month of June, I was able to make $114.70. I post about 2 videos a week, So that's about 8 videos for the month of June. Within those 8 new videos for the month of June, I was able to make $114.70 for the month. Now, around that time, I was averaging just about $2 a day, which is a lot smaller of a dollar amount compared to what I am making on the Amazon Influencer program, but this is just so much more fun and so much more fulfilling. So moving on to July, I was able to make $123.66. Same thing, just 2 videos a week, a few shorts here and there, but hardly any. And I was able to improve from the month before. So that was something super exciting. I was super happy about that. And so far, halfway through August, I'm at $92.65. So all together between these 2.5 months, I have been able to make $331.01. That's how much money I have made up until my 100,000 view point, and I'm so excited. I am so excited to continue to grow this and continue to see what YouTube can do for me. YouTube has been a great outlet for me to express my creativity, to express and provide motivation and help to others, and it is so fulfilling. I absolutely love it. So my recommendation to you would be, even if you're a small channel, even if you're somebody that may feel lost and may not know exactly what you want to talk about on your channel, please just start. Give it a try and you will find your way, I promise. I never came into this and came into YouTube thinking I was just gonna make all Amazon influencer content. I thought I was gonna be able to change to different side hustles, which I'm trying to do, but the content that does the best for me has been the Amazon Influencer program. So you wouldn't know this until you actually start, until you're actually publishing your videos, and until you're out seeing what people like, what people think about you, and if you can actually make YouTube work. YouTube is not going to be for everybody, but you won't know until you try it. And it has been so fun for me. There are so many different aspects, from creating thumbnails to, creating a backdrop, creating the perfect studio for you with lighting, using the best equipment, the content that you're creating, the editing. There's so many different concepts to YouTube. You're bound to find some part that you kind of like or kind of are interested in. So my best recommendation is to definitely start YouTube. As a small channel, there's plenty of room for us. There's plenty of room for us to grow. People get tired of seeing the same people. People get tired of the same YouTubers, and eventually those YouTubers phase out and it's time for another round. So just press record, get your camera ready, and start. Another thing I want to tell you is that no matter how good you try to make your first video, you're gonna go back to it, you're gonna look back on it and think it's the most cringiest thing ever. Trust me, you cannot perfect that first video. So just press record, start this thing, and create your YouTube channel, because I promise you, it is gonna help you tremendously, and it's gonna continue to hold you accountable to doing whatever else that you want to start. So trust me on this. As a small YouTube channel, you can do it. Now, some other things that I just want to talk about here is, like I said, I only started this YouTube channel about 7 months ago. I was able to get monetized within 5 months, and I've been making money passively from YouTube for the past 2.5 months. Some other statistics that I'm able to share with you is I've been able to accumulate 2,281 subscribers, almost 8,000 watched hours, over 100,000 views, and so much fulfillment with my YouTube channel. And it's only been 7 months. Time really flies. Another thing that has really helped me out is not overcommitting to things. I have just said from the beginning that I'm gonna try to put out 2 videos per week. That has been a happy medium for me. It doesn't stress me out, but at the same time, it's enough content to keep my audience entertained and keep them coming back for more. And so if you overcommit and say you're gonna do 3 videos, 4 videos a week, you're really gonna burn yourself out and you're not gonna stay consistent and stay on it for the long run. So guys, I hope this really shed some light on what it's like to be a small YouTube channel and what you can expect from the passive income to the amount of time that it takes to get monetized, to even how many subscribers you can get in such a short amount of time. I am so excited to give you guys an update on my 1 year mark and show you guys how much progress I have made in 1 year. But because I hit 100,000 views, I'm so excited to also share what it's been like and my journey here on YouTube. Trust me on this. When you first start, you're gonna get excited for just 1 subscriber, 1 like, a couple views. But as you continue, as the days go on, those things continue to climb. These things will continue to keep you motivated, like I said earlier in this video. And these are the things that are gonna grow you into the individual that you want and give you the future that you're wanting. So if you have made it to this point in the video, consider this a challenge. I challenge you to start that YouTube channel that you've always wanted to. Don't have to plan anymore. Don't have to come up with the perfect strategy. Just start it. And if you need any help, I can help you out. I am here for you. Let me know down in the comments below. So guys, just thank you from the bottom of my heart for making YouTube the most fulfilling, most exciting, most rewarding thing that I have ever done. I am so happy that I started on that January 14th or 15th day that I did, because I had no plan, I had no strategy, and all I did was press record. So if I could help anybody out, that's my advice to you. Press record, start your channel today, and consider this a challenge. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you comment below, like this video, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. Go start that YouTube channel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.